All right, gentlemen, here's cooking lesson number 2. We are making tonight a Ryan Myhand family secret recipe called chicken like top. So what you got here in my black iron pot is a little bit of cooking oil, just a couple of tablespoons, enough to coat the bottom. And we've got some chicken thighs. I got a whole family pack of Cajun bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, seasoned up with Tony Chastity and a little bit of paprika to help with browning. And I got that going. We're going to brown those off in a couple of different batches. And over on my cutting board here, I've got an entire sweet large yellow onion diced and about an entire head of garlic, chopped up, about 12 cloves of garlic. And that's going to be plenty there. So anyway, I got Brody helping me out in the kitchen. So anyway, I'll keep this going. We're going to brown this chicken nicely all over, doing it in a couple batches. I think I got 9 thighs all together. So I'll do 4 here and then pick those out and do the other half and get a really nice good golden brown all over on all sides of our chicken. And that's about perfect right there. So stay tuned. All right, part 2. We are finished browning up our chicken thighs. They're not cooked through, but they're nicely browned on all sides. We are now browning down our onions. We can do those first and add the garlic in a little bit later. We're going to use onions to kind of pull up all that color off the bottom of the pot, kind of similar to like we do with the jambalaya technique. And oh, by the way, we've also preheated our oven to 325 degrees. So we'll get the onions and garlic cooked up and check back in a minute. All right, part 3. We have cooked down our onions so they're nice and soft and starting to turn translucent. We threw in our garlic for about a minute, and now we're going to just go ahead and add this chicken back to the pot. We are not going to add any additional broth or water or anything like that. These chicken thighs are going to give us all the jus we need to render out during the rest of the cooking process. And it's going to make this just really amazing, just pan gravy, pan jus that you're going to serve over the rice and along with the chicken. And so we're adding this in. We're going to seal this up tightly. That's really the only requirement for this dish is you do need a good pot that you can seal the lid up tightly that can go in your oven. And then now we're going to throw this in the oven at 325 for about an hour. And I'll show you the finished product when it's done. All right, guys, it's been in the oven for an hour. And here is the finished product. Beautiful Cajun garlicky chicken. And we're going to serve that with some steamed white rice, some smothered green beans, and just a little bit of the pan juice spooned over the rice. Absolutely delicious. Very simple, very cheap meal. Enjoy.